welcome to my unboxing. This is the Rheem Performance Platinum 50-gallon, 40,000 BTU water heater with 12-year tank warranty, natural gas. It's going to replace that one over there with the leaking on the floor. Show it. Show it. Okay, everyone get excited. I think this is going to be some really good stuff. It's the newest model. I got it at Home Depot with a coupon. I saved 45 cents, so it was only $800 instead of $800.45. So I think I got a pretty good deal on it like that. So it should be really good. I'm excited. It's going to make a lot of hot water. I'm going to actually hook it up to the toilets, so my toilets have hot water in them now. It'll help the poopies go down better, because it'll help dissolve that poopy poops, get all the poops right out, and get excited. Here it comes. Oh, the ceiling's too high. Oh man, what am I going to do now? What should we do, Nate? Don't worry, we're just gonna cut it right like this. Like if you cut up a turkey right up his gizzard here, And I could use a pocket knife. So we're gonna go old school, like George Washington used to do with his scissors. A lot of people don't know that George Washington invented scissors for cutting up redcoats. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, YouTube. Do you see that sweet ass water heater? Check it out. Here we go. Get ready. Get ready. Give me an ooh and an ah. You forgot to give me the ooh first. Okay, here comes the Plastico. I think it was pretty well packed up. I'm very happy with it. It's gray. I ordered the pink one. So maybe I'll have to send it back. I don't know. I'll check it out. Here's the control box that goes on there. This says read me, so maybe somebody should read it. I'm not going to, because why would I want to? I'm pretty sure I know how to do this. Okay, I'll just sue somebody, probably YouTube, and all the YouTubers out there. So here's the flue. This goes on top. It's not like a sitting set you get. It's a thing.
Do you want me to just place the camera down so you can just talk?
It goes right up here. See that sweet flueness?
No.
It goes here and there.
Okay, wrap it up. Wrap it up.
Okay, and so that's it. Again, this is the Performance Platinum by Rheem 50-gallon water heater, 40,000 BTUs with 12-year tank warranty. What? Don't forget, subscribe, put comments, and like below.